Hi, so this is when I am going to be showing the story by Friday Night Funkin. So I am hard. I'm gonna guys who just started the game. So it's easy because if you're on a laptop it's kind of easy, but the up and down is hard. So and also you have to you have to be slow and then you go faster. So when you do more work, you're gonna get better and better, like hard, normal, easy through every single week. So now we are just going to be playing the tutorial for you guys. So if you see, it gets harder when you continue more. So now I finished it. Now we're gonna go on to week two. So now we're gonna do it normal now. Because if you practice tutorial a lot, you might getting a lot better. Oh, and there's going to be more rounds in the same week. So now this is gonna be the second round. And that is when you fail. So you press, if you're on a laptop, press space. And now, It's easy. The song is gonna get faster and also much more harder. And then that is when you're gonna lose again. So I so we're gonna see if we can do. So yeah, that will happen. So see you guys later. So and also I hope you have a good day, all of you guys, and yeah, bye.